Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. I did want to give out a little bit of news today. Yesterday, the news actually came out yesterday. That Bob Iger was actually coming back to Disney, which is fantastic. Because I think what was the previous Chapek, something like that. I think it was the previous CEO's name of Disney. He was doing apparently a really horrible job. I mean, that's my wife. I'm a little sick right now, so she's just texting me right now. But yeah, Disney is back up to $100.73 pre-market, which is fantastic. I think the move with Bob Iger is actually really great. I think going back with with Bob Iger is fantastic news. I do think that he didn't want to come back. From what I've read, he's been trying to retire since 2015. So that's kind of nuts that they keep coming back to him for the last roughly 7 years or so, because he's been wanting to leave. But he did do such a great job. Arguably, I'd say that he's probably the best CEO that Disney's ever had, and that's actually me comparing him to Walt Disney. The amount of growth that Bob Iger has done for the company, as far as coming in strong with Marvel, bringing in Fox. That he's done a fantastic job, pushing Disney in the right direction. And I would not be surprised, if the next coming years are extremely amazing and creative and profitable for Disney as a whole. As far as this jump though, I will more than likely short it. On the next trigger that I get, maybe on the 4 hour and the daily for Disney, I'm probably going to short this. I do think it's short-lived. I for sure think that Disney is definitely headed back to $91. I do think that the SPX and the NASDAQ are going to be coming down hard, and I think Disney's going to follow. I think, like I said, this news is fantastic. They're definitely up, which is great, but I will be shorting this on the next 4 hour trigger, possibly, maybe daily trigger, once my indicators kick in and once I see it maybe reject off like a certain level or something. I haven't seen the TA on this, haven't seen anything. I don't have any positions in Disney. I don't have anything right now. But I do see this as bullish news long term. Short term though, I am going to be looking for shorts at the next rejection level, for the next maybe daily, weekly level that Disney has, and more than likely I will. Let me see. Does it show up in the news? There you go. Iger's return to Disney more surprising than Chapek's exit. It was extremely bullish news. I mean, and I don't think anybody really expected Bob Iger to actually come back to what is it called? I don't think anybody expected Bob Iger to actually come back to Disney, which is pretty fantastic. Like I said, he's arguably the best CEO next to Walt Disney. If not, personally, I think he's better than Walt Disney as a CEO. But again, super bullish news. Possibly for the next 5 to 10 years, however long he decides to be CEO. Short term, I'm bearish. I'm gonna wait till this rally kind of cools off a little bit, and then I'm gonna be shorting this back to where that gap was at $92. So I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.